Hey Lake of the Ozarks, Ryan Schaffner here with the Jason Whittle All Pro team, and I'm excited to show you our newest listing over in West Palms. Come on, let's go take a look. This spacious floor plan features 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. Every bedroom's a suite. It also has this large screened-in deck, and as a bonus, it's being sold turnkey with a 12 by 32 foot slip, and has a PWC slip and a garage available. If you'd like more information on this amazing condo, give us a call at 800-836-2005 and we'll schedule a private showing for you. Thank you and have a great day.